across the bridge. Lady J, she said she got one story where we say she was share with us on top across the bridge today, where everybody feel actually learn on top. We got that they give me on air. I was like, no, Lady J, let us go on here so that we can feel explain to the
actually
people.
too. But may I start with the one where I been gist you. So like I did tell you, we watched one Nigerian movie yesterday, and on top for Rock TV, and it be about woman we all marry. She don't get picking. A few years of her marriage, she go adopt a girl from time when they get this small, and they take care of her. Bottom line, the girl can't grow for her hand, don't become teenager. All of a sudden, this woman just changed towards this girl. Eventually, when she take care of the girl, she can't get belly, can't born her own child. But the way she feel about this girl, it no change. But suddenly from nowhere, this woman just changed. Can't they treat the girl anyhow? They insult the girl, they beat the girl, they beat him. Like say, you understand? What in person go do? Even if na drop this cup. Why did you drop it like that before and beat don't start? So of course the husband said, "What did this girl do you?" When the girl reached about 17 years, she threw the girl from the house. Tell them, say, "I know your mama. I know born you. You they adopted."
Where was the husband when she threw her?
You know, sometimes the man go to some men go they act like, "Hey, they try to talk to her now, but she no one here." Like say that they then they weak. Because not be only adopt. Exactly. Now she and the husband, now both of them.
So the husband should have a decision.
He go talk to her, but maybe she feels it because the man a calm, quiet man. She go they use agidi they answer him. Okay. You know, so one of those days when the sister to the husband no fit take him again, now she come the house, come say she go beat the woman for waiting how she take beat the girl because the girl nearly kill herself. Wow. You know, so just because what didn't exactly this girl do you? Because even he himself, he don't adopt the girl like as his own daughter. Anything where the Indian they do for him as a daughter, she go complain. In fact, even if now say then they together in the read to her, the same way in the read to her when they small, when she did small, she will say no, she's a teenager now. All this cuddling, you need to stop. No, she would talk like say in the see her as a potential side chick, you know that kind of thing. She can't confess, say somebody come visit him, can't tell them, say all these adopted children, then they possessed. You guys they care for some of them, go spoil your home. She can't give example of one woman where do the same thing, adopt picking, adopt girl, raise the girl, eventually God come bless them, she born twins. Then that girl where she adopt, and she can't grow, can't they get affair with the woman husband, the come born boy. And so the man pursue the wife, come marry the adopted daughter. Say, you see, you guys stay careful, you guys secure your home. So of course those words can't sink inside her. She can't decide, okay, the only way to protect her home now to mistreat the girl, mistreat the girl and throw her out so that she no go spoil her home. You know, so I can't say a lot of times. I don't know if it happen for other countries, but if there's anything I don't sabi for this the Nigerians now, all Africans unsolicited advice. Me, I don't suffer from them. I don't suffer from them when I start my music parole early. Where do I get nice voice? She dey single, but she don't want to do anything with her life. Why you go deliver me? She they go everywhere they sing. For don't do that, mama can go they fight me. People are talking. They are talking. You're not serious with your life. You're not serious with your studies. Blah 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 blah. Or if I dey go rehearsal, we saw Joy. She was walking all over town. How can you leave her to be walking all over town? I rehearsal they go. If I no get transport money, what I go do? I go waka. And now the waka to rehearsal, but waiting they happen. They don't go tell them, say
they see you if they
waka for road. Another one will go tell my mama, say I get relationship with somebody psychologically. I know how they do them. You know?
You get relationship?
I don't know, my sister. But obviously all this unsolicited advice where they no ask you for. Some of them don't spoil home. Yeah. Some don't spoil relationship within parents and children. Some even potential relationship where man and woman they for inside. Hey, do you know this person? Suddenly now fine relationship where they grow, it don't spoil.
But why? You know the annoying aspect, lady. Sorry to cut you short. Now those set of people where they give you this advice, now then they behind whatever thing that they do. I don't see so many times where probably somebody will come tell a married woman, say, they see your husband for so hotel, he carry woman go there, blah blah blah. The husband feel no they do all any kind of thing, and some people they forget say hotel no be just a place where we say you feel just hotel, they do different things for hotel. Some people they use all where they for hotel for events. Some they go say, okay, instead of going to a restaurant, the hotel gets a restaurant where you fit sit down and do a meeting. But based on the fact that they just see the husband say he enter hotel, the next thing now the wife they will go call. And the annoying thing, some of these people, the moment the wife listen to them, the wife pack come up from their house, they move enter inside the house. And not just that, we don't talk am so many times, say when people give you advice, try to weigh am. Siva, the one where we say it makes sense, take her. The one where we say it no make sense, throw am. If everything where they talk to you no make sense, throw everything away. And that is why the spirit of discernment is very, very important. You know, when you pray, say may God give you wisdom, may God give you knowledge, they ask for the spirit of discernment. Not be everything somebody can't talk to you, you go act on top. Sometimes ask for that discerning spirit so that you go know say, this one maybe say this one they talk, go think come back, nah lie. So you don't go just put yourself in such situation. And you talk about the one of Vicky James, the way you say somebody
Vicky James, you know, she don't post cooking videos. Actually they cook. You know, so the recent one where she cook, she call them spaghetti coconut frittata. You know all these are names. Frittata. So somebody come post for a comment, say call her husband and say, Mr. Femi Atere be cooking with your wife in the kitchen. I be assist your wife to cook in the kitchen. Now she go outside and say, you say my sister, you make your husband follow you to cook for inside kitchen. I beg, leave my own, make he do whatsoever he wants to do. My question, I say, why? Now crime to post.
But Lady J, you know there is nothing in this life you can say or do where people go day okay with. You get some men who go join their wife cook for inside kitchen. They go say, I want to lori ele. That is, they have used the head of this one.
No.
Or maybe they talk say, I want to say for funje. What did odoyo? That is, they have cooked vegetable. The person he has gone to. I'm telling you. So now see the story of Vicky James. So what you talk now? Say the husband no join her for kitchen. Somebody talk say, why you know they join your husband? Sorry, your wife rather for kitchen. Why you know they join your wife? The man will join the wife for kitchen. They go sit talk say they don't put something.
They don't put a head now. They don't use a head finish.
What thing they want make person do now?
Now wow.
Because I don't know what thing they want make person do. So apart from this, your story where we say you talk, you get one particular story where we say I see too, and I don't know if I don't maybe for once talk am on top workshop. I don't know, but in case I never talk am, we go fit talk about am. So there is this a lady where she and her husband, you know, they got married. After they can't get married, they decide say they no go give each other belle till after 2 years. So after 2 years of the marriage, the wife got pregnant. But for the pregnancy, a lot of complications during that pregnancy. So when she born one girl. So they take care of the girl. So after 2 years, the husband can't tell the wife say, can we try again for another baby? She can't tell him say no. Say because after she born that girl, when she get complication, she and her husband we don't talk say now only that girl they go born. Say because of the complications where arise as a result of the pregnancy. Yeah. So and the husband accepted. Say so make the husband not come back after 2 years to ask for another child. And the husband say okay. Some months later, 6 months later, the guy mama carry one young girl where her belle don big, bring and come house.
Yay!
Can't tell the woman say since you decided not to give birth to another child after this girl where you born, say her son don't go give somebody belle for her side.
Ew.
So the lady can't feel say the husband betrayed her because there was an agreement between the two of them. Say based on the complications where she gets from the first child we then get, say may they not try for another child. Say why the husband will go on and let waiting the mama talk enter into him head to the extent of him getting somebody else pregnant from outside. Yeah. So the guy can't talk say there's nothing he can do about it. Say because him mama say they need more grandchildren. So don't be only one you go feed us born. So the lady can't talk say that thing really pain her. But the way their house be like mansion. So they get BQ, boys quarter. So she can't say she not go leave the house for this new lady wey come say because na she and her husband contribute money to buy the property together.
To buy the house.
So say she no go just leave the house for somebody new. You understand? So she come back to the back to the boys' quarter, leave the main house.
That's the madam.
The madam, yes.
Wow.
So she left the main house for the man and this new woman we don't get belle for her where they bring. So she there for the BQ, they take care of her own daughter. So if they see hello,
they don't go.
Hello, they don't go. So she no enter into that house again, like the main house. So when time come reach for delivery, unfortunately the lady die. The lady died, and she died at childbirth. You understand? But she born baby boy. So as she don't born and finish now, the mama can't tell her say make she move back into the house and take care of the baby where this second woman born.
Voila.
She can't talk, say never. Even her husband come beg and say may she please say come back to the house, say because he no fit take care of an infant. Say may she come back into the house, but the lady say she know they go back into the house. So she can't talk, say they see the stress where the husband they go through sometimes. We know where babies now baby go they cry and of course the mother cannot stay there for a long time. So they don't carry the family come beg this woman, say may she please, may she forgive her husband, say may she see the baby boy where that lady born as a blessing to ram. Say God somehow use another woman to provide another child for her. But she said no. Say she no want. Say because as she there like this, say the divorce papers they inside court. Since that time, and they try to do completion on top the divorce paper. So she can't ask questions. Say what thing she do? Is it wrong for her not wanting to go back into the house and accept the child of the other woman will come die as a result of childbirth?
I think I understand her feelings. It is valid. It is very, very valid. But you see, the pikin no ask for him. The pikin no ask to dey born into this kind of situation. So I go say, may she take out her vexmentation on the man, but spare the child. Take care of the child.
As her own.
Her feelings. See, no be the pikin cause the issue. You understand? No be the pikin cause this whole matter. It happened. The mama put pressure on top the man. The man giving to the pressure.
But the man is an adult. Can't you say no?
See, I agree with you. I don't know why. And now if I talk like this, before they go come use them, drag me or curse me. I wish a lot of men go fit put their foot down and say, Mama, no. Now my wife be this and this now waiting both of us agree on. Because make I tell you now, when we go exchange vow, now only you and your wife, your mama know they or just be witnesses.
Yeah.
So if anybody was supposed they law for now home, now your wife. Because now you and your wife exchange vows. But I don't know why would they give parents so much interference inside marriage. They call them interference because at the end of the day, my mommy said, my daddy said,
my dad said,
yeah. But now two of them exchange vows now. So why? No. I know they say no take advice from your parents. God forbid. But now the balance we they talk about, because see the this one don't cost now. An innocent child now don't they suffer for waiting. Get hand for inside. So. Innocent pikin dey the balance. So no need to punish this
but
child.
Lady J, if the role was reversed and the woman go bring another person,
exactly,
child come, I hope the family, this same family will come beg am, will they accept? And maybe the person will give the wife belle die, will the husband accept this child as his own?
It go very rare for a man to say, no be this speaking cause me the issue, now you cause me the issue. And I did too short say the family where they beg him now, therefore join and say we not tell you, but they beg because now the guy their picking 9 day involved. So they need to salvage the situation. I don't say they don't agree, say now we cause this wahala, we for not do this kind thing, no. Okay, maybe we make all of us go beg him. no start waiting, you no go fit finish.
Exactly. What waiting good for goose is good for the wait.
Uganda. If to say she come vex, na come do the same thing. I be say the problem.
Because she said she never accept yet, though. She never accept that child yet. Say because the betrayer, where we say she got
very valid.
Say the betrayer is deep gone. Say and what so it took the mother of that child to die before the family could come and beg her.
So if to say the woman when
when the husband just bring this woman, no family come beg and say, oh sorry, say your husband go give somebody belle for us, but they could come to tell her, say make she please accept the child because the mother don't die.
I remember super story when it still make plenty brain. One particular, I don't forget the name of that series, but the guy when he marry the wife, he knows say she don't get womb, and I ain't cause am when she get belle when they do school. He saying she must come out and go carry am go quack doctor. They come out and but he almost kill him. The papa na army general.
Yeah,
he grabbed the guy, so he say Lila he must marry in daughter. So marry am now. Say you no go fit born pikin. Ma say, even if you don't, not be so that they do. Call for put pressure. Say, okay, come marry one woman for village. No worry, she no go come city. And so he travel go marry the woman. Born first picking, born second picking. She get belle for the third. So that one can't do agidi come city with the boys. Say she be in wife. They go stay together. But at that time, the wife no say. This na her husband, second wife. She dey take care of the boys like say them be their own. One day she can't decide to carry the wedding pictures, can't drop. When she see and say, who be this? What do you think? Now your husband be the father of these two boys, plus this one where they
hey God.
She fear. Because then an empty basket, leave the when they insult them. And so she pack come out, go her mama house. The guy can't they beg him. He can't pack in family. Plus in mama. Where support the wedding to that one. So when the argument come, they go on. I say, please. Now my only son be this. I beg, make them not use pressure, take kill him. Our in-laws, I beg, me could have no vex. Now there they come, they beg, based off of say because the man say, they go anywhere without this in first wife. Now in first wife he marry and he love him. He they okay with his wife, whether they get children or not. But the woman say, no, her husband don't die. He go they turn for in grave as per say they no get. He no get pikin. And she don't forget say now even her son now cause the condition of that woman not to be able to have children. But my point I say because the son they involved now they can't they follow they beg.
Can you imagine? Richard from Lagos, they say this matter way back and narrate, he just be like we can't fubara matter. Agreement is agreement. The man and wife make the right call. If I dare a shoe, me self I go do the same. Good morning, Naija FM. Beck and Lady J. Greetings. I beg, may the lady temper justice with mercy. I hope the husband can temper if it was
if to say na him.
Exactly. Although it's painful, but trust me, God don't help her fight her battle low key. She should be grateful to God. And see, as much as I no lie to you, in a country like ours, especially Africa, you don't say it now. They carry this boy child thing.
Yes.
For head. Say now this one go they bear your surname. Now woman you born. She go marry another.
And she go drop your name.
Yeah, another man and the rest. I hope if she now accepts, the children can't grow. When time reach for will, if let's say the husband die, later after I don't grow old. I hope that they're not going to talk say okay because now boy that other woman born. The kind of will where they go give her go plenty past the one way because they still they do the annoying part. They still they do those kind of things for Nigeria. You go still see somebody for somewhere where we say not be say the woman na input belle himself. Now you as a man will produce X chromosome instead of Y. Now you make your wife born XS that is gay. You go still your family member could still come. There you say because your wife no gree born gay.
Especially those our brothers for man.
I'm not they mention anybody tribe.
Okay, I beg.
No mention of any tribe.
Before they call say Lady J is a tribal big or tribalistic person. No,
I know they mention any tribe. I know say some people still do They say they blame the woman. Say the woman and she no gree born boy. Like
say woman no
woman wey normally na excess they are a womb.
Becca, but now we women now we be the collectors now.
Now waiting you carry put there. We go collect.
So Abi would they go collect from another place, come put for inside. So yeah, this one na boy.
I wonder.
I beg now. We no be God though. We know they create anyone. Now what they say now only guess your wife born. Which one you don't create?
I wonder.
Which one you don't create? If you create human being.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.